We have here the Govee TV Backlights T2 versions. Now these are very, very nice because these are the ones that have 60 LEDs per meter. They're very, very close to each other. And this is the upgraded camera that they have made. It works with Google Home and works with Echo. I'm not going to say her name because I don't want to activate your guys' at home. And it is also black outlining. So it does not, you know, if it was white on your TV, you'll be able to see clearly there's LEDs behind there. So it has that black lining instead of that white one, which is great. And this will just sync with your actual TV images on your TV. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to go into another room and set this up on a TV, which is 65 inches. And this does work with 55 to 65 inches TVs. Perfect. So we're going to set this thing up. So let's unbox this box. We are in the other room right now. I don't know. The lighting is very bad in here. I'm very sorry. I don't have ring lights in here. Sorry. But we have the lights here. We're going to install it into our 65-inch TV. Very simple. I hope it's simple. So we're going to do that right now. You can see this is the camera. It has very, very nice fabric right here, which is very interesting that it has fabric. It also has the, you guys can see, there's no stickiness required to actually put on the TV, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can see that there is a Type-C port right here to actually power the camera, which is really nice. And then this little plastic piece you just take off very easy. Very, very nice little alien looking camera. So there's that. So this box actually includes the control panel that you have to have. It has the power brick, or the power right here. It has this is the scene changer, and also has the brightness, but you don't need to use this because you can just use the app. It's very simple to use the app. And then also inside here, these are crucial to use because these are the calibration to the TV. So you're going to put these sticky pads on the corners, the middles of the TVs, so the actual view, so you can calibrate it through the app from the camera. So we're going to do that after we unbox the rest of this. So we have the cord here. It also does come with these little sticky things right here that you guys can put on the back and then put the LEDs through, so the LEDs can actually stay on there. I mean, there's no reason for that because the LEDs have 3M tape on the back of them already, and you guys can see the cord here to power it. And then here we also have the alcohol prep wipes. If you guys want to, you guys can use these if you have dust on the back of your TV. Also, we have more of those strips, and then the Type-C to Type-C port, the cord right here to actually power this little box. So I said they have a black outlining, so you don't have to worry about them showing, even though the TV is already on the wall. Does not matter. So open this up. We have the Type-C port. Oh, this is interesting. It's a Type-C port version, so you can see black outlining, and look how close the LED lights are. Very, very, very close LED lights. So we're gonna get straight to setting this thing up. The light strips here, just unravel them. Ooh, it's 60. I think it's how long? Ooh, wait, whoa, what? Interesting. It has a break in it. So this break, I'm guessing there's multiple breaks in it. Oh, so these are for the corners. It has multiple breaks in it. You guys can see that piece right here is break. There's no LED lights there, and it goes more. There's a break here, and then there's also a break here, and then there is a break at the very end, of course, to plug it in. Guesstimate where the middle is. The middle is where this is. If you have a light right here, the middle is here. So middle, we're gonna go up from the middle, uppity up, right here. The middle should be here. So I think that's fine. Yes, the middle is there. So you're gonna wanna take this Type-C port, unravel this little Type-C port, and then you guys are gonna actually connect it to the control box, and then that itself will plug into the camera. So there are two Type-C ports here. One goes to the camera, the other one goes to the light. Just like that. So there's two right there, and then this right here will go to the camera. Plug that in, there we go. We're gonna wanna take the 3M tape off the back of this little control panel here, and then just stick it on the back of your TV somewhere where the LED light strips are not going to go. So just stick it somewhere that you guys can have access to a plug. So we're gonna go this way, in the back right here, put it right there. I know you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm putting it here. Right there, just for there. Okay, we're gonna take the plug This is the plug. We're gonna take this plug, unravel the plug, unravel that, and then we're gonna plug this into the actual box itself. Plug that in, make sure it's reachable, and then plug it into a plug right over here. Easy. There we go. Now the LED light strips are on right now, which you guys can see they are on. They are detecting the actual, you guys can see when I move my hand closer, it's turning red, of course, because it thinks my hand is red. So, but we have the lights here. Very interesting. Okay. These are meant to go all the way around your TV. So make sure when you guys are putting these on, make sure you know where to put them. So of course this is gonna go on the side like this, and then it's gonna turn, and then, you know, so on and so forth. So we're gonna put these on. So when you take the 3M tape off, just go like this, slowly take it off, don't take it all the way off. And then use these clips right here to make sure they stay into place when you guys are setting them up. So make sure you use these. You don't need to, but it's just a good idea to use them. Have the TV all set up. We have all of the LED lights put on. Now I'm going to set up the camera. I'm going to show you guys that on the app. It's very, very simple to set up on the app, on the Govee app. So let me show you guys that right now. The Govee app here, you're going to want to download the actual Govee app. Go to plus up there, and you're going to want to actually look up the little code right there on the box, because on the box there always shows the actual number, and see that model number right there. That number right there, that is it right there. So it's HS, it's H605. H605, 605 C, there they are. So this is what you're going to want to download right there. That one there, and it's going to detect it. It's right there. So add that. It's going to connect, and then you're going to want to pair it by pushing the button in the back. So we're going to do that. Push the button on the back of the TV, the on button. Right, no, this one, and then this one. Aha. Okay. And then we're gonna go to right here. You guys can see right there, it is set up. Say done. Okay, it's gonna show you guys a tutorial here. If you guys want to see that, you don't need to, but you can see it's gonna show you guys how to do it. Caution to calibrate it. You guys can see right here, say start. Here. It's going to calibrate it, and then now it's going to show you which one you want. So make sure, please stand in front of the TV, because you need to know. So you're able to select which one it is selected. So whatever it's showing on your TV, make sure you get it right on here on the app. So very, very simple. You say confirm. You're going to want to connect to a 2.4G's Wi-Fi for it to actually connect. Here we go. We're connecting to our Wi-Fi right now. And then you want to stick the foam patterns, these little foams, on the corners of your TV where it shows you to put them. So you're going to put one up there, one up here, and then the rest over here. So we're going to do that right now. Be very gentle. Just slightly put them on there. This one on here. Here we go. Right here. This just allows you to view the camera better. That looks fine. Right there. This one. There we go. That is all of them you need on there. There we go. Done. Okay, now we're going to say ready. Say ready there. Do this. Got it. And then you guys will be able to see the actual camera when it loads. You guys can see the camera. We're going to say start. And you guys are going to want to locate the actual little blocks that you put on there. So make sure you do that by putting that one there, putting this one here, this one here. So it only detects the actual TV and no other outdoor light. So there we go. So you have that part right there. Now you're gonna go onto this part, and there's this one If you have an update, make sure you update the actual lights. Say upgrade, upgrade, and it's gonna just upgrade it. Very easy. Oh, there. Okay. So you can see when I turn off the lights, it does a better job when the lights are off. You guys can see it's like detecting it at different LED light strip. I mean, it's trying its best. It really is trying its best. I mean, I think it's doing a pretty nice job when the lights are off. But you guys can see it's trying to catch all the colors at once. It's doing a pretty nice job at doing these separate LED lights though, which is nice. You guys can see like those ones glue. I like that. So I would recommend using these with the lights off because that's the only way that these are actually going to be in full effect.
But I don't need you to tell me who I
So you guys can see it does a really nice job. Really nice job at syncing with the actual imaging. If you watch a movie like that, like, it really is nice. So let me turn these off. If you guys do want to check out these lights, fabulous lights indeed. I would totally recommend checking them out. They are in the link of this video, so hopefully this video maybe intrigued you, and maybe you guys can get one for yourself. So thanks for watching.